How to download and install Apple Music on Windows. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Apple Music on your PC. So first of all, you need to go to your Windows search bar and search for Microsoft Store. And as you can see, that this is Microsoft Store. You just have to click on here, and after that you have to look for the top search bar and click on it and search for Apple Music from here. And as you can see, this is the Apple Music. Just have to click on here simply and click on get on here, and as you can see, getting ready. It's already started to download, preparing to download, getting ready files, and it's directly downloading, installing 6%. So that's how you can simply come to Microsoft Store and search for Apple Music and just click on install or get it now, and then it's started downloading. And after that you have to follow the instructions and click on install the software on your device, and you can install it and play any music you like from the Apple Music. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.